How to get Google search bar on home screen on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to another video. And on this video I will show you how you can get Google search bar on home screen on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to install the Google application if you have not installed it yet. So install it from the Google Play Store, and once installed, what you have to do is navigate to your home screen, tap and hold on it. From here, tap on Widgets. Here, scroll down and search for Google. Tap on Google. Scroll down and here tap on the search bar and here leave it like this. And there you go. Now you have search bar loaded in your home screen. Wait for a while until the widgets get loaded. So once you have added the search bar, if you tap on the search bar, you'll be taken into search bar in Google. Now you can directly search from here. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.